In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently locate and copy a voice ID from a voice directory, a task that can be quite handy, particularly if you're managing multiple voices in a project or simply need to keep track of the various options available to you. Let's start by navigating through your voice directory. Over on the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Voices. Clicking on this will open up an extensive list of available voices, each with its unique characteristics and capabilities. This directory is your main hub for exploring and selecting the voices that best suit your project's needs. Whether you're working on a creative project, a professional presentation, or anything in between, it's important to select a voice that aligns with your intended tone and audience. Once you're in the voice directory, you'll be faced with a plethora of choices. You can choose to search for a specific voice if you have something particular in mind, or you can scroll through the list to explore what's available. Each entry in this list represents a different voice, complete with its own distinct style and nuances. Take your time here. After all, finding the perfect voice can make all the difference in your project's execution and reception. After you've scrolled through and narrowed down your options, you'll want to take a closer look at the voice that piqued your interest. To do this, simply click on the View button, located conveniently on the right side of the voice entry. This action will prompt a detailed panel to appear on the right side of your screen. Now, this is where you'll find all the pertinent details about the voice you've selected. This right side panel will provide you with comprehensive information about the voice, offering insights into its capabilities and settings. Pay close attention to these details as they can help you make an informed decision about whether this voice aligns with your needs. At the very bottom of this details panel, you'll come across something crucial, the voice ID. This is a unique identifier specifically assigned to the particular voice you've been exploring. Obtaining this ID is essential, especially if you need to reference or return to this voice at a later time. To copy the voice ID, simply click on it. This will automatically transfer the ID to your clipboard, allowing you to easily paste it wherever necessary, perhaps into a document or project file for quick access. By following these steps, managing and organizing your voice options becomes a straightforward task. Understanding and utilizing the directory's features ensures you're able to seamlessly integrate the perfect voice into your endeavors, enhancing the overall quality and impact of your work. Keep this guide handy as a reference, and you'll find the process becoming second nature in no time.